eyes with the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This is in the shade Almond. Boom, so we got the lids, primes. I'm gonna go in with, I gotta find it first. Alright, so for this look, I'm gonna start off with two brushes. I have a blending brush and I have a shading brush. So I'm gonna take the shading brush and I'm gonna apply, going in with my Morphe palette. I think this is the Morphe 360. No, this is the Morphe 352 Second Nature palette. So I'm gonna go in with I'm gonna go in with this third shade right here. This shade is called Orb. So taking my shading brush, I'm going to apply it straight to my lid. I'm gonna start off in my crease and then work my way through my lid. Take my blending brush and I'm just gonna blend everything out so that there's no like harsh lines and we're not out here looking crazy. Mostly just blending it in my crease because that's the only part that really needs blending. So it's just a swift left and right motion in your crease. So I'm gonna go in with my Rose Hibiscus Water. This is by Province Beauty. I'm going with my Maybelline Fit Me. This is the Dewy and Smooth. I love this foundation. Like, y'all, get into this foundation. It's mad cheap, first of all. Okay, it's mad cheap. The Dewy and Smooth one, I like it better because I feel like the matte one kind of dries out my skin. I do have combination skin, so if you have more of an oilier skin type, I suggest going with the matte, but I have combination skin, so I like to keep my face really moisturized, and that's why I spray my face with the Rose Hibiscus Water. I'm gonna go in with some more LA Girl Pro. LA Girl Pro just need to go ahead and sponsor me. Let me take a picture real quick, just in case they see this and want to sponsor me. Perfect. If y'all watching, you want to sponsor me, got you. Yeah, this is Cool Tan, and I'm gonna apply it to my under eyes, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. I'm gonna go ahead and contour. This is my Sephora collection. We're gonna use this shade right here. I'm gonna blend it out real quick with a fluffy brush. It's a regular fluffy brush. Going back with my beauty blender, I'm going to blend in. I'm going to set my face with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. The only thing I gotta say about this product, you gotta be very, very careful if you are brown skin or dark skin, because using a lot of this will leave like a cast on your makeup. That's why I don't like to leave it on long. So you just gotta be really careful with this product, because it will leave you ashy. Alright, now I need to give my face some light, so I'm going back in with my rose water. I'm gonna just spray everywhere, including my eyeshadow, so that I'm not like ashy no more. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder. Alright, so now we're gonna move on back to the eyes part to finish up the look. Get you a regular lip gloss. I'm just gonna use this older lip gloss that I haven't used in a while. You can apply with your finger or you can use a brush. I'm gonna use a brush because last time I did it with my finger, it just got too messy. So if you wanna use a brush, just get you a small little brush. Like this is literally a small brush. And I'm just gonna take some of the lip gloss and apply it to the brush tip. You just patting the lip gloss onto your lid, working your way up into the crease. So this is basically it. This is the face. So I'm gonna take this off, get ready or whatever. Alright y'all, this completes the look. No serving looks. If y'all want me to do more tutorials like this, then let me know down in the comment section below. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends. I'll put all my social media on the screen. Add me on Snapchat, add me on Instagram, add me on Facebook, add me on Pinterest, whatever you have. If I have it and you have it, then go ahead and add me. I really want to interact with y'all. I really love interacting with people. I lied. I'm just a little anti-social. Yeah, y'all, we looking cute on 2K18. If y'all try this look, please take a picture, send it to me, tag me. I love you guys.